Alright, today we are working on Keep On Climbing, and this is dividing a decimal by a whole number. Alright, so at the top of your page you have a copy of the directions on how to divide a decimal. You can also refer back to our dividing decimal lesson, which is posted on the class webpage. Let's look at our directions. Divide. Then use the code to fill in the blanks below to complete the fact about two famous mountain climbers. First thing I notice is our problems are numbered by letters. When I show my work on my separate piece of paper, I'm going to use the letters. So we're going to start with number 1, which is U. And I'm going to recopy it. Alright, step 1, ignore the decimal and divide. So pretend that you're doing 864 divided by 4. Today I am going to use dumb monkeys swing backwards. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, remainder. Also known as Dad, Mom, Sister, Brother, Rover. Mrs. Cochran likes dumb monkeys swing backwards better, and since she teaches 6th grade, I think we should go with that one. Alright, so first step, does 4 go into 8? Yes, it does. Second step, multiply. 2 times 4. Subtract. Bring down. Draw your arrow. 6 is bigger than 4. I still have numbers left, so I go back to the top and start again with divide. Multiply, subtract, bring down. I still have an empty spot. I go back to divide, multiply, subtract. I have 0 as my remainder. I have nothing extra. So I have divided. Step 2, I need to bring my decimal point straight up. My answer is 2.16. I'm going to circle that. Looking back at our worksheet, every spot where I see 2.16, I'm going to put a U. Okay, so you're going to put a U right here. Let's go on to the second one, which is L. L is 72.8 divided by 2. Step 1 is to divide. Multiply, subtract, bring down, start at the top again, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. There's nothing to bring down. My remainder is 0. Step 2, I need to bring my decimal point straight up. My answer is 36.4. On your worksheet, everywhere you see 36.4, you're going to put an L. Looks like just right there. Let's go on to S. S is 9.36 divided by 6. Okay, go ahead and divide on your own, and then we'll check. And I'm doing dumb, monkeys, swing, backwards. Don't forget the remainder though. Okay, you should have gotten 1.56. I should see your arrows and subtraction signs in your answer. Wherever you see 1.56, go ahead and put an S. Just right here it looks like. Okay, next one we're doing Y. Y is 32.35 divided by 5. Okay, step 1, ignore your decimal points and divide. Go ahead, do your work, then we'll check. Okay, you should have gotten 6.47. Remember, 5 can't go into 3, so 5 goes into 32 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. 32 minus 30 is 2. Bring down the 3. 5 goes into 23 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20. 23 minus 20 is 3. Bring down the 5. 5 goes into 35 7 times. 7 times 5 is 35. Subtract and you get 0. Go back to your worksheet. Everywhere you see 6.47, you're going to put a Y. Like just there. Alright. We are going to go ahead, you are going to go ahead and finish this on your own.